The Muslim quota fight that's playing out right now in the state. There's a political war of words over the move of Muslim quota that the government was reportedly mulling. The Karnataka Home Minister has now spoken out on this, saying, yes, some MLAs did reach out, hand over a memorandum to the Chief Minister seeking 4% Muslim quota in government tenders. The Karnataka Home Minister, but has made it very clear that no decision has been taken by the government in this regard.
ಕೆಲವರು ಶಾಸಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲವು ಮುಖಂಡರುಗಳು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 4% ಕಾಮಗಾರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, SC ST ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಇಲಾಖೆಗೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೀರ್ಮಾನಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಎಂಥ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಯಾವ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರು ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನ ತರಬೇಕು.
All right, let's get you all the updates that are coming in on the story of the report suggesting that the Siddaramaiah government was actually considering a 4% Muslim quota in government tenders. India Today has now accessed a letter that was sent to Chief Minister Siddaramaiah with this very proposal. And it was Siddaramaiah's political secretary, Nasir, who pushed the idea of a Muslim quota. He submitted this letter on August 24th, requesting a 4% reservation in contracts for Muslims in the state of Karnataka. Amid backlash, you've got several ministers coming out and saying that, yes, there was talk of quota, but nothing has been done. In fact, one minister has even defended this proposal, stating that all oppressed deserve quota, irrespective of whether they're Muslim or poor Hindus. Yesterday, the Chief Minister's office denied any such proposal, saying no such plans for reservation have been made. The Chief Minister's office further mentioned that quotas for SC and Dalit communities are already in place and that the government is still evaluating any additional quota demands.
No question of any reservation, nothing has been done, nothing has been discussed, nothing in the cabinet. It is all false at the time of election. They are just trying to create confusion. There is no question of any reservation on any contract, on any issue.
ಎಲ್ಲ ಸಮುದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೀಸಲಾತಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಹಕ್ಕು ಇದ್ದೇ ಇದೆ. ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಸಮುದಾಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಬಡವರು ಇರ್ತಾರೆ, ಶೈಕ್ಷಣಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಆರ್ಥಿಕವಾಗಿ ಹಿಂದುಳಿದಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಕೊಡೋದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ತಪ್ಪೇನಿದೆ ನನಗೆ ಕೇಳಿದ್ರೆ. ಅದು ಎಲ್ಲ ಬರೇ ಮುಸ್ಲಿಂ ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಮಾಜದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಯಾರೇ ಬಡವರಿದ್ರು ಅವರಿಗೂ ಮೀಸಲಾತಿ ಕೊಡಲೇಬೇಕು, ತಪ್ಪೇನಿಲ್ಲ.
Why is BJP crying so much now? Has there a decision been taken? If a decision is taken, then you scrutinize the decision, whether this decision is within the ambit of law or not. Without a decision, why are you crying for that decision? There is no decision yet. If at all government makes a decision, the government has to go through and understand whether this is permitted in as per the law or not, whether our constitution permits it or not. So all this scrutiny, all this examination, then post there will be a decision. So BJP doesn't need to jump so much and cry so much and create everything into a Hindu-Muslim thing. Today, if minority community cannot go and even ask for something, whether you give it or not, that also becomes a sin in front of BJP. Then it's difficult.
ಕೆಲವರು ಶಾಸಕರು ಮತ್ತು ಕೆಲವು ಮುಖಂಡರುಗಳು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳಿಗೆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. 4% ಕಾಮಗಾರಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ರಿಸರ್ವೇಷನ್ ಕೊಡಿ, SC ST ಮಾಡಿದಿರಲ್ಲ ಅದೇ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ಪರಿಶೀಲಿಸಿ ಇದನ್ನ ಅಂತ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಇಲಾಖೆಗೆ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಬಿಟ್ಟರೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ತೀರ್ಮಾನಗಳು ಯಾವುವು ಎಂಥ ತೀರ್ಮಾನ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ನಲ್ಲೇ ಆಗಬೇಕು. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆ ಯಾವ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟ ಇಲಾಖೆಯವರು ಕ್ಯಾಬಿನೆಟ್ಗೆ ಪ್ರಸ್ತಾವನೆಯನ್ನ ತರಬೇಕು.
Let's bring in Anika Keshav for more details on this. Anika, with the political fight now breaking out over this proposal, the Siddaramaiah government is highlighting repeatedly that, look, this was a proposal and nothing more. So they're essentially sending out a message that this isn't going to be implemented for now.
Well, Akshita, even the fact that Home Minister says that it was only a mere demand and there was no concrete decision that was made yet. However, there was a draft bill that was prepared by the government, trying to place it in front of the assembly. So yes, there was a draft bill that was prepared suggesting 4% reservation for the Muslim community under public tenders. However, after facing severe backlash that came in all throughout the day yesterday, the Congress government, seems to have taken it back by saying that this was only a memorandum that was submitted by a lot of MLAs, a request that was placed, that was placed in front of Siddaramaiah asking reservation for Muslims. However, this was not taken up seriously, and the order was not passed, is what we are hearing from the government. Given all sorts of defense that the government, all sort of firefighting that the government is now playing. However, there was a draft bill that was half prepared, suggesting that 4% reservation be given for the Category 2 community, and Category 2 is exclusively for the Muslim community. So that was almost going to be placed in the winter assembly session. However, after facing huge backlash all throughout the day yesterday, the Congress government has now decided to roll it back by saying that this was only a mere memorandum presented and that the government was not planning on taking this up seriously.
All right. Thanks very much, Anaga, for getting us all of those details.